It was a moment of joy and celebrations as Church of Uganda Family TV launched its new program lineup, including a Luganda news bulletin titled Amafeffette. The bulletin will be broadcast live every day at 6 p.m. This new edition complements the station's existing News at 8 English bulletin, which airs daily from 8 to 9 p.m. The launching event commenced at 9 a.m. with a procession from Central Police Station and later service at Church House, Kampala, with the Archbishop of the Church of Uganda, the Most Rev Dr. Stephen Kaziimba Mugalu, as the main celebrant, while the Cathedral of Uganda, OHT Charles Peter Maiga, was represented by the Speaker of Uganda, OHT Patrick Luwaga Mugumble. In his sermon, the Archbishop called for unity and respect for each other's cultures, hence emphasizing that Amafeffette should be a channel for promoting good news. He urged journalists to focus on news of hope, inspiration and motivation in Uganda and beyond.
We need to work together. The message is we need to work together. And we need to respect each other's culture. Each one is very, very important. So as we launch this Amafeffette news, we pray that it will be good news.
We need to promote good news. News of salvation.
The Archbishop emphasized the role played by every individual in their jurisdictions, indicating how we all need each other, irrespective of ideological differences. His Grace Kaziimba called upon the security personnel to respect journalists on duty, and to the journalists he urged them to report objectively.
Just tell your neighbor, each one is precious. We need these news anchors, the journalists. So the police, please respect the journalists as they are doing their work. But even you journalists, write what is true.
As the country prepares for the 2026 general elections, Archbishop Kaziimba Mugalu cautioned Ugandans against being divided by political and ideological differences, saying what matters is unity and peace among the children of God.
Colors belong to the Lord. What is important is to respect one another. So I want to encourage you as the Archbishop. We are in the season of campaign. Stop fighting one another. Stop fighting one another. Just tell us your manifesto.
Don't attack personality. You share what you are going to do for the people.
He commended the management of Church of Uganda Family TV for selecting the Amafeffette name and urged Ugandans to watch Family TV, whose programs can be watched by parents and children altogether.
So I encourage you to support the work of God financially. It is not just prayers, but you must also invest in cash. Everything needs some money. All of us have come here. We prayed in the morning. But the car that takes me around does not operate on the power of the Holy Spirit. It needs the real fuel. And the TV has workers that need money.
In his address, Mr. Amos Mwesje, the managing director of Church of Uganda Family TV, appreciated all individuals who turned up for the launch, including different sponsors of the program.
Ekigendera kyaffe gateeka saa 12 lwakuba nti abantu bagamba abantu bawagenze waka naye ffe tukimanyi nti abantu bajja kukola ki galaba mutuninge TV zammwe saa 12 tulabe ki Amafeffette kuba kyetugenda okukola kiri nti tujja kuba especially nga kakati okay Electoral Commission yakagenda ne twagala tuleeta amakulu amalungi agakwataganye naki na election process mu police mu maje mu community everywhere. Fe tetwagala amawulire agatiisatiisa abantu nga balaba ki ku TV. Tugamba nyine tetujja gabawa.
Mr. Jimelo Ima, the content manager at Church of Uganda Family TV, echoed the TV's commitment to providing better programs through its new program lineup and called for public support.
Njagala okubakakasa nti Amafeffette ntandikwa butandikwa. Tukyusizza essuula mu nsengeka ya programu zaffe. Okuva ku ntandikwa y'omwezi guno gwennyini gwe tulimu, abadde balaba Family TV ebintu bingi ebyakyuka. Tusaba muwagire enkyukakyuka zino. Era mukimanye nti byonna bitukola biriwo ku lwa bulungi bwammwe n'okusitula ekitiibwa kya Mukama.
Ne telefayina yaffe ebitumbula ne tuyiga nga tuyita mu mutimbagano guno mu telefayina eno, naye n'amasomero tukyageetaaga nnyo. N'olwekyo kati abantu nga baffe ne benkola nabo n'abalala bangi mu kanisa batandise amasomero ge tusobola okweyambisa okutumbula ebyenjigiriza. Naye
nze ndaba amawulire gaffe ganna Amafeffette gagenda kubeera amawulire amalambulukufu, kubanga bano abalala bagamba mbu ssentebe yafudde, ssentebe w'enakawa yafudde. Nogamba bannange kiki kyamuse mbu yafudde enseko nga boogera bingi.
Bintu bingi nnyo bye tugenda okukola ffenna ne church. Amafeffette tubaaniriza era tubasuubiramu bingi era tugenda kubeera nga tubagoberera nga Post Bank.
John Baptista Humza, Church of Uganda Family TV News at 8.
Amafeffette.